Most people think they stay poor because they don't turn enough. But the truth is, many people stay poor because of repeated money mistakes. Small bad decisions every day can destroy your future slowly. In this video, I'll show you 10 money mistakes keeping people poor in 2026 and how to fix them. Number 1. Living without a budget. If you don't tell your money where to go, it disappears. Many people earn money, have no plan for spending it. Simple budget helps you control every dollar. Number 2. Credit card debt. Credit cards can be useful, but dangerous. If you carry debt every month, interest keeps growing. End up paying more for things you already bought. Number 3. To impress others. People buy expensive clothes, cars, or gadgets to look successful. Looking rich and being rich are not the same thing. Number 4. No emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. A medical bill, car repair, or job loss can happen anytime. Without savings, one problem becomes a crisis. Number 5. Depending on one income. One job means one source of money. If that income stops, everything becomes stressful. Building side income creates security. Number 6. Ignoring investing. Saving money is good, but investing helps money grow faster over time. Many people wait too long to start. Number 7. Bad daily spending habits. Daily coffee, random shopping, food delivery. Small spending feels harmless, but repeated daily habits become huge yearly losses. Number 8. Wasting time online. Hours on social media every day can steal your future. That time could be used learning, building, or earning. Number 9. Not learning skills. The marketplace rewards value. The more useful your skills, the more money you can earn. Number 10. Quitting early. Many people give up after a few failures, but success usually comes to people who stay consistent. You don't need to fix everything today. Just fix one mistake at a time. Wealth is built through smart habits, patience, and discipline. Start now. Your future self will thank you. Subscribe Finance Tracks AI for more valuable content.